Hi, my name is Peter Hald and I work as an information consultant at the Library of the Technical University of Denmark. In this lesson, I'm going to tell you about the cited reference search method. The concept of the cited reference search is letting one relevant article or book lead you to other relevant references. It is therefore very important that you start the cited reference search with a key reference within your topic. Maybe you already have that key article, either from a reading list from one of your courses or from the random search you performed earlier. If not, you can always ask your supervisor for a recommendation for a key article within your specific topic. The cited reference search method can be useful at different stages of your information search, both at the beginning of your search, using a key article to look for other related articles, but also later on in the process, once you have selected a number of relevant articles using the block building search method, which we will tell you more about in a later lesson. The potential strength of the cited reference search is that it can take you from one good reference to another, while at the same time giving you an understanding of the way research within your specific topic has developed over time. Cited reference searches via citations can be done in a database like Web of Science, which we will be using in this example. A cited reference search allows you to move both forward and backward in time. You move backwards by looking at the references used by your key article, the references in the bibliography of a key article, and you move forward in time by looking at the references citing your key article. Once you have identified the article you want to use for your cited reference search, you search for it in Web of Science. If it's not there, you will have to perform your cited reference search in another database, like Google Scholar or Scopus. As mentioned before, making a cited reference search in a citation index database allows you to move both forward and backward in time. The cited reference count displays the number of references cited by the current article. Looking through the bibliography of your key article, you may find an article that seems highly relevant to your topic while going back in time. Time cited count is the number of articles in the database that cite the key article. This information makes it possible to search forward in time to see how research has developed since the key article was published by looking at the articles using your key article in their research. Web of Science also gives you so-called related records in their citation network. Related records are records sharing references with your key article. You will be able to see how many references the records share with your key article. Articles with many references in common with your key article could very well be relevant to you. The related records are sorted by the number of references they share with your key article. The idea being that articles with many shared references must have related subjects. Remember to use your logbook for documenting all of your searches. Remember to save any references of interest to you in the reference management tool you are using. To sum up, a cited reference search in a citation index database allows you to move both forward and backward in time. You move backwards by looking at the references used by your key article, the references in the bibliography of the key article, and you move forward in time by looking at the references citing your key article. That said, you have to be aware of potential weaknesses of the search method. A high number of citations don't automatically equal high quality, and there are a number of aspects to consider. Naturally, newer publications tend to have fewer citations. Some articles may be cited as general background reading. Articles may be cited as the author is making a counter-opinion, which means the impact is not necessarily positive. Some citations are self-citations. There may be ways to eliminate those in the database you are using for your cited reference search. This can be done in the Web of Science. Citations are only available for those journals included in the tool you choose. This means that the article you are using could be cited in books or journals that don't appear in the database you are using. The number of times a given article has been cited must never stand alone as a way to decide the quality of an article. Thank you for your attention.